In this video, I'll tell you two methods to insert or delete your row or the column in your Excel file. So first of all, we will do with the row. So to insert a row, select any cell within the row where you want to insert the row and press Alt, I and R key from your keyboard. It will insert a row for you. To delete the row, press Ctrl and minus key from your keyboard and select this option entire row and click on OK. This is the one method. The second method is the row from where you want to insert. Select any cell in that row, highlight that row by pressing Shift and Space from your key. It will highlight the entire row for you, and then press Ctrl and plus key from your keyboard. If you want to insert multiple rows, then you have to highlight multiple rows. For example, if I want to insert 4 new rows in one go, then select any cell in the row, press Shift and Space bar. It will highlight the entire row for you, and press Shift and up or down arrow key to select the number of rows that you want to insert. I have highlighted 4 rows here, and then press Ctrl and plus key from your keyboard. It will insert 4 new rows for you. To delete the row, again select the entire row by Shift and Space bar, Shift and down arrow key, and then press Ctrl and minus key to delete the entire row. So Ctrl and plus key to insert the row and Ctrl and minus key to delete the row. To insert or delete a column, the process and method is same, only few keys will get changed. So first method is select any cell within the column and then press Alt, I and C from your keyboard. It will insert a new column for you. Press Ctrl and minus key to delete the cell and then select entire column and click on OK. The second method is highlight the entire column first. So to highlight the entire column, we will press Ctrl and Space bar from the keyboard, and then to insert the column, press Ctrl and plus key from your keyboard. So to insert the row and column, the shortcut key is same, Ctrl and plus. The only difference is for row. To highlight the row, we used Shift and Space bar. To highlight the column, we used Ctrl and Space bar. If you want to delete this column, press Ctrl and minus key from your keyboard. To insert multiple columns in one go, the method is same like we did for rows. So highlight the multiple columns first. So here I will press Ctrl and Space key and then Shift and left or right arrow key from your keyboard. I'm highlighting 3 columns here and then press Ctrl and plus key from your keyboard. It will insert 3 columns in one go. To delete the columns, highlight the columns again by Ctrl and Space bar, Shift and arrow keys, and then press Ctrl and minus key from your keyboard. It will delete the highlighted columns for you. I hope that you like this video. If you want to learn more about the Excel shortcuts, I have more videos on this topic. You can get those links from the top of the screen, or I have provided the links in the description also. You can also get the printable version of the shortcut keys from my website. I'll give the link in the description. So you can go to my website, My Excel Club, and then go to the content Excel shortcut keys. When you will scroll down, you will get a button here stating top 50 Excel shortcut keys for PC and Mac. When you click on this button, you will be landed on this page, and from here you can print out, you can take it a printout, or you can download it for yourself. So thank you for watching this video and happy learning. See you in the next video. Take care.